Chief found a squirrel. What'd you find? Oh, I saw something move. There it is. All right, let's keep going. It is a beautiful February day. Very warm outside for February. All the snow is melting. I'm coming. This is Chief's favorite part of the day. He loves going for walks in the forest. Hey, Chief? You happy? When there's enough snow in the forest, we go snowmobiling on this trail. And then in the summer, we go quadding down it. I also like to just walk out here. Usually the cats join me, but they're in the house right now. So it's just Chief and I. Ooh, I see there. It's kind of that awkward time of year where it gets really warm and all the snow starts to melt, but it kind of just turns to ice. So you really have to watch your step everywhere you go. And I'm enjoying this weather while it's here because it is supposed to get really cold again towards the end of this week and even colder next week. So the spring weather isn't going to stick around. We are supposed to get some more snow as well. Oh, he found another squirrel. Let me know in the comments where you guys are watching from. I'm curious to know where all of my subscribers are from. let me know too if you like this style of video, and I'll make more of these kind of walk with me videos. It'd be kind of fun to do that here and in Hawaii. Wow, there's like no snow in this spot. That's crazy. Whew, almost slipped. Alright, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for joining us today on our walk. Take care.